how to transfer with a Polycom phone. It's a simple process. So once the call comes in, okay, pick up. They are asking for a particular connection. So I say just a moment. I hit the transfer button, which is this small button with a phone and an arrow button to another phone. I hit that. I dial the extension I want. And now we can see that that phone is ringing. They pick it up, and I say, I tell him who's calling, and he says, put the call through, and then I hit the button again, and they are now transferred. It is that simple. I can hang up, and as you can see now, the call is over here on the phone I transferred it to. Easy.